My name is Eduardo Carbon Posse. I work for Repsol. It's an energy company, multi-energy company. I am Air and Decarbonisation Advisor for the E&P division. The goal to attend to this event was definitely getting to know all the stakeholders. I think this Congress has a great array of different stakeholders, from service providers to EPC contractors, but also they have people that is doing lobbying for regulation, like IOGP was here, and really there was a lot of interesting conversations and interesting discussions in different aspects, right? Definitely we identified several service providers that have very interesting technologies that we need to look into, maybe for pilot projects and stuff to assess, the viability or the feasibility in our companies. We also had the opportunity to discuss with people that we are already connected with and maybe continue discussing on how to move along certain projects and certain opportunities that we have. We also got to know a little bit of, like I said, the landscape of different initiatives that other companies and other peers are now developing. And so it was really a good opportunity to, like I say, to get to know many stakeholders, to get to know many companies that are working towards the same goals. Yes, I was in the roundtable around regarding upstream decarbonization opportunities, and there was really interesting conversation of what other peers are doing and what they are proposing or what they are implementing in their assets. So I think that was a really interesting conversation. There was another roundtable regarding the impact of EU regulation in all the decarbonization, and that was also very, very interesting in looking what the effect of the current regulation and where is going the direction that is taking all the policymakers and the effect that we could have in the different companies and the different actors of the industry. I think, I consider that the more and more the companies are looking into this with a big commitment, regardless of the scenario. I would say there are waves that there's more interest and less interest, but below, away from those trends or short-term trends, there is a long-term vision that goes and strives for the same goal. Maybe the pace of change still has to be assessed or evaluated or re-evaluated, but definitely the direction that we're moving towards is defined. I think we definitely have to work towards a more holistic vision of the whole the solution. It cannot be something that is not integrated, that is not take. I think that policymakers and the industry and the different stakeholders have to really sit all together and come up with a solution that takes into account everybody's vision and everybody's possibilities. So I think it's a movement that it always starts with a little lack of understanding of what the other stakeholders' priorities and limitations are, and in order to arrive to a good result, I think we have to kind of converge into sitting in one place and understanding everybody's needs and everybody's priorities, of course.